Let's do a speed tutorial. Here's how I made my manga Whisper of Cinnamon that you can get on my Patreon at S-Morishita Studio. Or let me just show you how to make a manga using IBISPAINT. Yes. Here's IBISPAINT. Before anyone asks, here is the canvas size that I did for this manga right here. You can use whatever canvas size you want, but I printed my manga. So this canvas size right here, printed out to like about this right here, okay? So if you're like, what's your canvas size? What's the pixels and the height and all that stuff? Right here, 2100 by 3150. That's what I did for this. I'll change it depending on what I'm using, but I wanted it this size, so that's the size I went. You can use whatever size you want, okay? Okay, we got that out the way. Next thing, so what I use for inking, I like to use this dip pen hard, and if I'm doing like my sketch, I like to use a dip pen soft. But those are the two pens. They're free, they're default. That's what I like to use for inking, coloring, sketching, toning. If you're like, how do you do screen tones? There's lots of different ways to do screen tones. Here's how I like to do screen tones. I make a new layer. I select my paint bucket tool. I pick a color that I want. I'm gonna go with this color. Why? Because I can. Tap. Now that I have my color there, I'm gonna go over here to effects, tap, and I'm sure there's other ways to do this. This is what I like to do. I'm gonna go to pixelate, and then I'm going to go to dot squares. Let's see how that one looks. Nice, we're getting somewhere. I'm going to make the size smaller. Kind of about, let's just tap, tap. There we go. You see? Nice screen tones. That's how I can add my screen tones, right there. I use that filter effect after I do all of my colors. Boom! And I'm sure there's probably other ways to do screen tones. This is not the only way. This is not the end all be all. I'm sure there are other ways to do what you need to do. This is just what I like to do. And then like for backgrounds, if I don't feel like drawing backgrounds by hand, there are also free backgrounds that IBISPAINT has available. Look at that. Real backgrounds. So there's that one. And then there's anime backgrounds. Use whichever one you like. But if you're like, hey, I don't know how to do backgrounds and I want some pre-made ones, here are some pre-made ones right there. If you want to know how to upload it online, I do have some videos where I share how to upload a manga onto Webtoons, or let me just show you. When I'm done with my comic, I go to my browser. I type in Webtoon's website. I'm not using the app. You can do this with, I believe, with whatever browser you have. If you have like an Android, I share how to do this with an Android in my other videos. I'll try to link that in this video. But anyhoodles, I tap that little A and I can tap the request desktop website, and then that's where the publish button pulls up. If it doesn't pull up, I usually hit the refresh button and then usually it shows up then. If it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry, I don't know what to do. I cannot see what you see, so I don't know how to help. But that's just a little speed run. There's other stuff that you can do with IBISPAINT and other things that you can do, and more like, what about this? What about this? I do plan on making like a little easy to follow tutorial series on my TikTok, and then also have that available to download on YouTube as well as digital download. Like here's my YouTube page, and I plan on having it in my like store. I just don't know why because I have other stuff that I made, and I just don't know why it's not showing in here. Like I have like a PDF on how to do other stuff. Let me just tap my Spring Store. On my Spring Store, I have my ebook, how to creating 3D models, Webtoon for beginners, Webtoon script to comic. I have all of those also on my Spring Store, linked on my YouTube. I really would like it to show up over here too, but I'll have to figure that out. But yeah, so that was a quick one. It was a lot though, right? I have my bonnet on because I didn't detangle my hair, but look at my teeth. Ignore my buck teeth, and the cricket ones. So look at these ones. I did it. I went to the dentist. So my mom, if you're watching, I went to the dentist. I did it. Don't yell at me. I really need to clean my office. Got this outfit for my comic convention. Woo! I'm gonna open it. Okay. So I got those tights things. It's the size that they said extra large should fit someone that's 160. I am 220, so we got a little bit ways to go, but I got these tights. They didn't have any bigger. They didn't have a 3X. So I'm like, okay, well, we'll just get this one. And then I got, ow. Oh, I got this really cute skirt. I got, again, the XL, which is supposed to fit someone that's 160. So I'm like, look, once I get down to 160, this will be able to really fit. So this is the skirt. I'll try it on in a moment. But this is all for my cosplay for my comic conventions, because I dress up like I call her there's the Bo Peep one, Chaotic Cutie, my Swan Princess, that's the Pussy Toot Toot one, and yeah. So I want them to have different outfits when I go to comic conventions, because it helps me it helps with my anxiety when I'm able to like step into one of my OC characters and be that character. It's like a positive affirmation for myself to where I can just be like, oh, just like this, who is Shayreen? She is also, we don't have to panic over, did we say this word wrong? Did we say this word right? Are we speaking enough? Are we looking enough? Making eye contact? You know, the overthinking part. This helps a lot for me to feel more confident and comfortable and change that inner dialogue that's always like, you're looking too much, not making enough eye contact, look at the eyes, look down, look away, don't make too long eye contact, but not too short eye contact to where they get upset and think you're not paying attention, but not too long to where they get creeped out. So this helps me to calm down. So this is cute. I'll have to, of course, it's very see-through, so I'll have to like wear a white tank under this, but this is really cute too. Of course, this is an XL, so someone who fits like who's like 160 or something, I don't know. But again, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna fit into my cosplay. It's gonna be so cute. So I'm not putting this on just yet. Wash by hand. It's very soft. It's large. So yeah, we're gonna get there. This skirt is a large too. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna go over one thigh. I can go over one thigh. Hold on. Okay, you see? You see? It's cute. I'm gonna get into it. Look, watch. Hold on. Oh, it's short. It's shorts. That's cute. I mean, that's nice. It has shorts underneath. Okay, so this is one hole. Let's see if I can get the other leg in there. It's just... Okay. Just gotta suck in the knees. Let's see. It's okay. It's just these. It is what it is. Wish there was like really cute size clothes, big plus size clothes that like was cute like this. You see the layers? You know, I know there's cute plus size clothes, but I want this specific skirt that fits these. Just this style, this specific one. I want this one in a plus size for my thighs. But that's fine. We're gonna work on it so we can get into this cosplay. Also, I'm making progress on this illustration that I've been working on
Today for the Mirror Daddy, this is one of the CG events, so I'm just getting the angle of the head. I really love I'm loving how the eyes, adjusted the 3D model. This one is I'm using Clip Studio Paint EX, the one-time perpetual use one. And this one, the other ones have like more features, but I'm good with this. But anywho, so I really like how it's looking so far. I'm really excited to show you guys it, and I'll launch it on my newsletter. When it's done, I will launch and let you guys know. But I just gotta fix up his hair because this is supposed to be more, I don't know, more floof and down like that. But yeah. Whee! I need to vacuum the floor, so we're gonna use this one. It's my old Black & Decker vacuum, so we'll see how this does. Chio keeps like scratching at the carpet corners, so we put his little scratching things right there, and then we got him that scratching tree. So he seems to have settled down with that, so that's good. I'm sure there's other remedies, but that's what we did for now. Oh, ow. Oh, my knees. Oh, I worked out yesterday. Did lower body. This is from the rabbits. So we had to put tape over it because they were biting our cords. It vacuumed. I could have used like the nozzle on it, but I didn't want to. I'm tired. Ugh. Do that little bit. Oh, I'm exhausted. Vacuuming is such a workout. I hate it. I'm sweating. Ugh. Ugh. But thank you, Elisha. I put the Arm & Hammer deodorizer stuff on it to absorb whatever smell was there. I don't know what it did, or I don't know if it was just my nose, but I'm like, I need something to do. Because I didn't see any stains, I just didn't like the smell. Yeah. I'm tired. I need to get a new pedicure. I got one nail that has, only one nail that still has polish on it. The others I peeled off. Okay.
You don't want the carrot?
Wilbert's like, I want the carrot.
Right. Wilbert's like, give it to me. He doesn't know what to do with it.
I want the carrot here. And the cat's like, ew, take it.
Take the whole thing.